ever wonder that schools are not allowing us to learn some particular skills like coding, public speaking, how to start your own business, how to save taxes? Like honestly, I have learned these skills after my graduation, honestly, at the age of 21 or 22. Have you also learning these skills nowadays after your school? If yes, this video is for you. So in this video, I will cover a particular topic today, subjects that should be mandatory in school. Okay, so let's start with the number one. So number one, and I believe the subject that should be mandatory in school is taxes. No one talks about taxes in school. Even in fact, when I graduated at the age of 21, I got to know about the taxes. And like year after year, right now I understand like why the rich are getting richer and poor is getting poor every day, every week, because they don't know understand the concept of taxes, how to save taxes. If you are in self-employed category, if you are in business category, if you are investor, or if you are employed, how much taxes you are paying. Everything that should be mandatory in school. Children should know about how to win with the game of taxes, right? So this is the number one most important subject. Number two subject that should be mandatory in school is the stress management, right? In today's world, like there are a lot of type of stress. For example, job related stress. For example, a student fails at any subject and he just stressed himself or herself, right? An individual is not able to pay his loans. That's the particular reason there are a lot of stress these days. So stress management should be added as a main subject in the school. Children should learn about how to meditate, how to be patient in that stress situation, right? So I believe that should be added. That subject should be added in the school. Number three subject that should be mandatory in school is public speaking, right? Because even when I was a kid, I remember when there was a function in a big auditorium in the school. I didn't prepare to speak in front of there were 30 people, I guess. 5 were teachers and 25 were students. So I was so hesitated to speak in front of so many people, in just of 25 people. Honestly, like 5 or 6 years ago, I joined a network marketing company. There I understand the concept of public speaking and I got my fear. So I just get rid of from my fear that yes, I don't have to worry about public speaking. Right now at this point of time today, I can speak in front of more than 20,000 people. I'm not a public speaker, but yes, if you say me like Keshav, start speaking on any topic in front of these people, I would definitely speak. So this subject should be mandatory in schools. Another and fourth very important subject that should be added in the school, which is personal finance. This one is my favorite, honestly. Reason? Kids should know in the future how they should earn, how they should spend, how they should invest, how much they should invest, how much they should save. Okay, like if I go into the more details, okay, it will be somewhere around like budgeting. For example, you got a paycheck of $30,000 or $40,000. How much you gonna save? How much you gonna invest your money? How much you gonna budget? Like your rent, your grocery, your car bills, every other bill. Okay, you should know how much you have to save for this month. 10%, 20%. How much you have to invest for the future. 10%, 20%, and you should spend the rest 70 to 80% on all your other bills, which is your wants and needs. You should know about 50, 30, 20 rule. So yes, personal finance you should always learn, and it should be added in the school. Number 5, survival skills that should be mandatory in school. Reason: survival skills are essential skills or abilities that help a person stay alive and safe in a dangerous situation. So this is essential skills because, like, the people, if someone is lost in nature, okay, if someone is met with an accident, or there is a power outage, or there is any emergencies like disasters, so it can be a life-saving surviving skills for anyone if you learn. Let me give you some examples. Example number 1, finding and purifying water, because a person can only survive 3 days without water. Example is starting a fire. Like if I say fire keeps you warm, it helps you cook food, purifying water. So these are the basic examples. Last and number 6 skill that everyone should learn and should mandatory in schools is cooking skills. As you know, cooking skills are very essential. Like, I believe it's just like not to prepare just meals. It will help you to save your money, to become more self-reliant, and to improve your health as well. So I'm gonna end this topic here. I hope you liked this video and you will definitely follow these 6 steps that should mandatory in schools. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment box, or you can reply, or you can email me at keshav.sareen@outlook.com, or visit to my website www.readwithkeshav.com. And thank you so much for watching this video.